Why do I think the timing is perfect for juniors? Right now, university programs don't exist. Right? They're starting to make them. Maybe you can get a degree in AI from Harvard or somewhere, but it's not prevalent, right? It will be prevalent in a while, but right now, you can just go get certifications and stand out more than somebody without them. The companies need them now. We need you now, right? Everybody's hot on the AI craze, and nobody knows how to manage it. Nobody knows how to, handle the ethics and govern it. Nobody knows anything about it, how to secure it, how to run it. All of these fields are up for grabs. Anybody with a certificate should be able to get into one of these companies now because they need you. It's small enough to stand out, right? So it's easier to become known as the person who knows X, Y, and Z that nobody else knows. Right? If you want to put code into a project because you do enjoy writing Python or whatever, and go contribute to it and build something that they really need that helps you stand out, then it's really easy to do while the field is small. As it gets more saturated, it's harder to stand out as the person who's been in the Splunk Trust for 15 years or whatever. All right, so get started now and stand out. Another thing to note is all these regulations are creating demand. So as frameworks are coming online, as compliance requirements are coming online, companies have to navigate that. And it just leads back to the demand. So here's your action plan. If you start today, this week, I want you to join 3 AI security communities online. I don't care if it's Reddit, I don't care if you're just somewhere in some message board obscurely on the internet. Join 3 places. LinkedIn is a great place to find them. Just type in AI, type in security. Pretty much anywhere you go in IT and cybersecurity, they'll be talking about AI, so you don't have to limit yourself to just an AI group. But join 3 groups that you see that are talking about AI and do that this week. Then set up a basic of development environment. So yes, you've heard you can't run it on your own computer. You need a real nice rig to run AI, etc. Well, you can run ChatGPT on their machine. Just go to chatgpt.com, right? You can run some small models locally, and it's good to figure out what you can and can't do. So I highly recommend setting up a basic environment where you try to run AI, run into the errors I ran into, where you run out of disk because the Yama 2.0 is so many gigabytes on disk you can't even download it, right? You run into all sorts of technical issues that are training for you as you learn to get around them. So get your own environment, set that up. I especially recommend that if you can run your own model, run a small model or something like that locally. I would do that for prompt injection attacks. So if you want to get into security, try that. But maybe don't do that with your personal ChatGPT account. 'Cause it might kick you out. You might get kicked off the platform for trying prompt injection, right? It's against terms of services. But if you run a model locally, prompt inject it, try the major ones, see what happens. See how easy it is, how hard it is. You might learn something.